In this Argos support video, we will guide you through the general cleaning and maintenance of your washing machine to help keep it performing at its best. Regular cleaning and maintenance can improve washing performance, reduce unpleasant odours, and help extend the life of your appliance. Before you begin, switch off the appliance and unplug it from the mains power supply. Start by cleaning the detergent drawer. Pull the drawer towards you, pressing the central release catch to remove it fully. Wash the drawer in warm water to remove any detergent residue or fabric conditioner buildup. Then allow it to dry thoroughly. Next, wipe the detergent drawer housing using a damp cloth to remove any remaining residue before refitting the drawer. Now, clean the door seal. Carefully pull back the rubber seal and check for any dirt, lint or small objects that may have become trapped. Wipe the seal thoroughly with a soft damp cloth, paying particular attention to the folds. Clean the inside of the door and the exterior surfaces of the appliance using a soft cloth. Avoid using abrasive cleaners, solvents or scouring pads, as these may damage the finish. Your washing machine may also feature a drum clean program designed to clean the drum and tub using a high temperature wash of approximately 90 degrees Celsius. Do not place any laundry inside the machine while this program is running. To start the program, ensure the machine is on. Select a cycle, then press and hold the drum clean button on the front of the appliance. To check the pump filter, place a shallow tray or towel beneath the filter housing, as a small amount of water may escape when the filter is removed. Open the pump filter cap and unscrew the filter carefully. Remove any lint, debris or foreign objects. Rinse the filter under clean water before refitting it securely. The water inlet filter should be cleaned approximately every 3 months to maintain a reliable water supply. Turn off the water supply, disconnect the inlet hose, and remove the inlet filter. Wash the filter thoroughly before refitting it securely and reconnecting the hose. Run an empty program. Leaving the door and detergent drawer slightly open after each wash will also help air to circulate and reduce moisture or mold buildup inside the appliance. Regular cleaning and maintenance will help keep your washing machine running efficiently and ensure the best possible washing results. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.